Hola Farmsteaders.
Hola.
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And today we are showing you how to prepare a rabbit nest box.
Yeah?
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, yesterday what did we do? Yeah, we built nest boxes yesterday. So we built these out of 1x10 and we'll link the video right up here. Here.
Here or here, I don't know.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
We'll link the video for you so you can see how to make these nest boxes. But now today we have a doe that is due on the 4th or the 5th.
Mm-hmm.
Generally your doe is pregnant for about 30 days, right around 30 days. So tomorrow is 30 days and the 5th, tomorrow's the 4th, right? So tomorrow's 30 days, 31 days will be the 5th. So this doe is probably pretty ready for her nest box. Usually around day 28, day 29 is when I put the nest box in. Yeah, there you go.
Hello. Do you like?
There are 3 things you're going to need when setting up the nest box. The first thing, the nest box itself. The second thing you're going to need are pine shavings for the bottom of the nest box, especially if the temperatures are cool. And then you're going to need straw. So what you want to do is coat or put about 1 inch of pine shavings at the bottom of your nest box.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry, Jose.
This is the first thing.
That's the first thing you do, pine shavings like that. The next thing we're going to do is put some straw in there.
Okay.
So what I did is I put the straw in here and then I made like a little bit of a tunnel into the back. Here's what I can pretty much guarantee you. Your doe is going to take out everything you did and put it in the way she wants it, usually. Also, you may have a problem where a doe uses the corner of the cage and takes everything out of the nest box. That can happen. I don't find it happens very often. Usually the doe will use the nest box, but you want to be prepared. She may not use the nest box. Another thing the doe is going to do is the doe is going to pull fur from her dewlap, which is that big piece of skin you see right under usually the chin of a doe or off of her belly. She's going to pull fur and put it in here. Usually the colder the temperatures, the more fur your doe is going to pull. Some breeders will actually keep bags of fur if the doe has pulled too much fur. They will keep bags of fur from that doe and use it again in the future if another doe does not pull enough fur. Definitely in the winter though, you hope they're going to pull a lot of fur. And surprisingly, in a nest box, in the winter, even if temperatures are cold, those babies are going to stay surprisingly warm. I'm always shocked that you get 8 little tiny babies inside of a nest box and they're going to keep it really warm and cozy in there. Another thing you can do is use a heat lamp, which I've done. We keep our garage just above freezing, so it's not too cold in here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try and give this to Leia right now and see what she does with it, and then hopefully record her over the next day or 2 building her nest. Leia, are you ready? No response. Apparently she's gonna eat the straw. I can't even get her to eat her pellets the last couple of days. A lot of times when your doe's ready to give birth, she will slow down on eating her pellets. Leia's been eating plenty of hay, but not eating her pellets very good. Okay, so some signs that your doe is ready for her nest box. She may be digging in the corner of her cage if she doesn't normally do that. You'll start seeing a lot of fur inside of the cage. They do this thing where they pile up hay in their mouths and grab big chunks of hay. If you see her doing that, she's probably ready for her nest box. I haven't seen any signs yet for Leia that she's ready to give birth, but being a prey animal, rabbits will not really show signs that they're ready to give birth until they're about ready to give birth because they don't want to attract any predators. But rabbits in general, they know what they're supposed to do. So if you just give them the proper tools and let them do their thing, they're going to give you a nest box full of kits.
Mac.
Yeah.
Do you have one surprise for me?
A surprise for you? I do have a surprise for you. The other day we did a video about how we set up a nest box, putting in the wood chips and the straw. And of course, we now have babies in that nest box, and I just wanted to take a minute and show you what we have. Leia gave birth to 6 beautiful little babies. It was her first litter, so a little bit smaller than I would normally expect. And we got 1 blue bunny out of the litter. But let's take a minute and look at her nest box.
Dun, 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 dun.
Always, when you have a doe that has a litter, you want to reach into the cage carefully, 'cause some does don't like you to touch the babies. Silver fox are pretty easygoing mamas, and they don't really mind. Hi, lady. How are you? Can I see the babies? The babies are currently 5 days old. She gave birth 5 days ago. And after I put the nest box in here, she really didn't do very much with it. And we came home on the 5th from working off the property, and there were babies and fur in the nest box. She did a great job. She's a great mom. As you can see, I have a heat lamp up here because it's pretty cold in the garage. It's not really on the nest box. It's just to help keep it a little bit warmer up here. All right, Mama, can I take your nest box?
No.
Can I take it? Huh?
No.
Can I take it real quick? Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, I'm just going to take it real quick. All right.
Just for a minute, okay?
Yeah,
for
just
a
for
minute.
a minute. Okay, so you can see the nest box here. There's nothing up in the front, just the straw. The babies are to the back. This is the fur they're wrapped up in. And if you pull the fur back, you can see the little babies in here. Let's just take a look. Oh, they're so warm. Come here. So there's one of the little black babies. They're so cute. Aww. All right, and somewhere in here is a blue. Let's see if we can find him. Oh, here he is. Right here. And you can see the different color, and he is a big fat bunny compared to the rest. But because Mama's doing a great job taking care of them. That's 4 of them, and then we have 5 and 6. Oh, this guy is huge. That's a huge baby. Wow. Anyway, these are the babies in their nice, beautifully warm nest back here. Mama's doing a great job, so we will put them back. They say it's cold in here. All right, babies. Yeah, exactly. All right, so I'm going to put them back in here to the back. I'm going to put the fur back with them. Keep them warm. And Mama, what she does is she sits in the front of the nest box and nurses the babies. The babies will crawl towards her and then back into the warmth of the nest box. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, so we put the nest box in with Leia. And now what we have to do is just give her some time.
Yeah.
Hopefully within the next 2 days we'll have some kits in the nest box. And being that I have not had rabbits in a few years, I probably will be just as nervous as she is. Actually, she's probably not nervous at all. I'm nervous and excited and ready for babies. So now I will keep an eye on her and check on her. And if I get up in the middle of the night, I'll probably come out into this freezing cold garage and see if she's had any babies. Oh, she's digging in the nest box already. Girl is ready. That's putting together your nest box. We hope if you liked the video that you're going to give us a thumbs up.
Ding, ding.
Subscribe to our channel. If you're raising rabbits or you have a farmstead, you live in the UP, you think we're a little bit entertaining, we'd love for you to subscribe.
And comment.
And make some comments. Do you do rabbits? Do you do silver fox rabbits? Tell us about your rabbitry. We love rabbits. We love raising rabbits. Again, we are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Uper Farmsteaders.
Bye.
Shh. We're gonna